Hello everyone, welcome back to PHP series. In this video, we will discuss what is user-defined function and how to create user-defined function. So, what is user-defined function? Sometimes we need to perform same task more times based on requirement. So, if you think that it can be done using loop, but loop is used to repeat same block of code at once and it repeats that block of code until condition is satisfied. For example, if you want to find radius of 5 circle with different radius value, then if we write code to find radius of circle 5 times, then it is very time consuming. So here we create one function which find radius of circle and call this function 5 times with different radius value. So in short, function allow us to develop reusable code. We can create a function using function keyword. So syntax to declare function is function, function name, bracket, argument, bracket complete. Here, argument is optional. Argument means if we want to pass some data to function to perform a task with data, then it can be passed using the argument. Now start the curly bracket and end the curly bracket. A task to be performed using function is written within these brackets. The naming rule of function is same as the naming rule of variable. If you don't know about it, then check it out. Link available in description. The difference is function name is case insensitive. We can call a function using function name and parentheses. If your function contains argument, then you need to pass argument within parentheses. So let's create a simple user-defined function. So first, we write a function keyword. Then write function name. Here we define demo function and then parentheses. Now open and close curly brackets. Now we print something within brackets that will print after calling function. Okay, so here we define demo function. Now we call this function. So for it we write a function name and parentheses. Let's save the program and see the output. As you see, here hello is printed. Now we discuss methods to pass argument. So total two methods available to pass argument. One is by value and second is by reference. So first we discuss by value. In this method, we need to pass argument when we call the function. Let's understand from program. So we create a simple function name as demo. In argument, we declare a variable which we want to pass. So here I pass my name as an argument. So I declare name variable. Now start and end the curly bracket. So within curly bracket I print my name by using the argument. Now we call the function. So here demo. In parentheses we provide argument. So we write a name. Now we save the program and see the output. As you see, name is printed. So simple words. In call by value, we directly pass data as an argument. Now we discuss call by reference. In call by value, we directly pass data for argument, but in call by reference, we pass a variable who contains data as an argument. In call by reference, we need to write n% at starting of argument variable when we define a function. So syntax is function, function name, bracket, ampersand, argument, bracket complete, and curly brackets. Let's understand from program. So here we define function demo2 and we pass name as an argument. So we write ampersand $name. Here ampersand so that we passing an argument by reference. Now we print name within curly brackets. So now we need to declare a variable and assign a data that we will pass as an argument when we call the function. So here we declare a name and assign it with Vishnu. Now we call function demo2 and pass $name as an argument. Let's save the program and see the output. As you see, here name is printed. So in simple words, in call by reference, we can't pass direct value. We need to pass variable or object. So think that if our function contains argument, but we can't pass argument while calling the function, so what happens? To solve this, function has a default argument. In this concept, we need to assign data to argument while define a function. Let's understand from program. So here we declare a function demo3 and as an argument we declare a name. Now we assign it with vk. So here if we can't pass any argument to function, then function takes vk as an argument. Now we print a name within curly brackets. Now we call the function. First we pass Vishwa as an argument. So once again we call the function without any argument. So let's save the program and see the output. As you see, when we first call the function, then it print Vishnu because we pass Vishnu as an argument. But in second time of calling function, we not pass any argument. So here function takes vk as an argument and print it. One more concept is function can return the value. Let's understand from the program. We define one function and give the default argument. In curly bracket, we return default argument. So we write return $name. Return keyword is used to return the data. Now we call a function. If function return any value, then we need to assign a function calling to a variable. So the variable can store a return data. So here we assign function calling in name1 variable and then we print name1 variable using echo statement. Let's save the program and see the output. So here name is printed. If you have any doubt, then don't forget to comment. If you like this video, then like it, share it and subscribe the channel. Thank you.